Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you two brief clips taken from a 64 minutes video I've just finished to record for my subscribers. One clip focuses on a major forex pair, well known, and the other on a fund actually, not very well known I suspect, that can actually give us a very interesting insight into what's going on in Asia. I hope you like the clip. If you like further information about my services, my website, please stay on after the clip's end and I'll talk to you again. Have a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This past week we have seen further consolidation in the stock market. We have seen bonds holding at a fairly high level. We have seen the dollar unable to hold on to gains, and the euro actually climbing back above important support level. And we have had repeated signals from the gold market that not all is well. We have important signals flashing from that corner. I've got a very long list of charts that I've prepared here for you. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, Australian dollar US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Singapore dollar. Then I'll have a look at euro charts, euro bond continuous chart, the euro book sell, long yields continuous chart, the UST bond, TYX, gold, silver, heating oil, light crude, stock markets, TSX, Dow transportation average, the S&P 500, the DAX, ICPA's index of Santiago, Chile, Jakarta's composite index of Indonesia, Malaysia's Kuala Lumpur KLS, and I'll terminate the video with a look at Aberdeen, Asian's smaller companies. Okay, that's the US dollar Swiss franc. This is the weekly scale, basically showing a trend that is in a very under the firm grip of the bear here, and you can see this is the weekly scale going back to July 2010. You can see for yourself, this is there's no point arguing with a bearish trend here. The trend is your friend. You don't want to go out to argue with your friends, and that is as simple as that. This is looking lower, will continue lower. There are various subdivisions here, various interpretations that you can work with, but at the end of the day, you can see where it's going, and it's pointing down. One option we can use, this is a 1-2 or AB, but I think it's very likely a 1-2. You've got this as a 1-2. I think there is a good chance it open another 1-2. That's a 1-2-3-4. It's heading towards delivering the end of the fifth in blue, and that will be just the third. Yes, the third that corresponds to the 1-2 here, and then we'll go into another consolidation and another leg down. I don't see at this point in time an end to this. Here, as you can see, that is our triangle, fourth wave. We had a breakout out of that. That's a 1-2-3. I still think that this is likely a 1-2-3-4. And let's go to the 60 minutes. In fact, as I said the other day, it could actually be more complicated than that. I mean, more bearish. I'm taking this as a 1-2, and that's a 3-4. But you can claim that this is indeed a 1-2-1-2 situation. And yes, it is quite possible. So that will actually make it more bearish, because it means that there are further legs coming on the downside. I would be surprised at all to see this currency actually going back to the other side. You see this, we are almost mid-range, slightly on this side, but I would imagine it can go and touch this line before we get a rebound for the next consolidation that might last several weeks. That I've presented some time ago, some months ago, and that is the Aberdeen Asian Smaller Companies Fund. It is managed, I think, from Scotland. They have various funds, the Aberdeen, and that's the weekly scale going back to 1996. I've I've introduced this idea then when I presented the chart. This chart is a vivid example of the stunning rise of Asia. Think about it. This is truly an historic event. Some people tie it to a 500-year cycle, with a pendulum swinging now back to the Asian side for the long term. Now, we had clearly a bottom here at 1998, run up that appears like a clear 5 legs, and then correction into 2008, and a soaring run. You can see just from the pace of this climb that this is most likely a third wave, and recently it corrected 25%, corrected down towards 550, and now resumed its run. It climbed back above this very steep support line and looking up. What else can I say? This is very bullish. Doesn't look to me like a top that is ready to climb to crumble back down. No way. That appears at most, I would imagine, a retest back of 550. But that is, if you like, a global assessment. This is very bullish. Says there is a plenty more upside coming. So quite optimistic for that area of the world. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download the full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.